Hello, I'm Summer Huntington. I'm really excited to bring you my new Pure Mobility program, which is 6 full-length classes that target the most common trouble spots in the modern human. I'm the founder of Kinesiolyoga, Fit Body Wellness, and I hold a master's in Kinesiology. I consider myself a mobility specialist. I teach globally around the world, and I also hold a 500-hour advanced yoga teacher training from Noah Maze. In order to fully embody mobility, which is different than flexibility, we must prime the neural pathways before we begin our self-myofascial release and create heat in the body and do effective mindful movement patterns that really help to release the tissues and return them to their natural resting length. I've used my extensive experience in both research and application to help you truly learn how to do self-myofascial release to your own body. Once you understand the principles in effective self-myofascial release techniques, you will be able to intuitively RAD roll daily in these 6 zones and release areas you had no idea you could find. This is a mobility program with RAD Roller tools. Absolutely no yoga experience is needed whatsoever. I will present mobility drills, RAD Roller education, and modified stretches for any body. To get started with Pure Mobility, you'll want to get an all-in-one kit and possibly an Atom. And once you have your equipment and a space to practice, then I'll be showing you how to truly access mobility from the ground up. Pure Mobility really addresses the compensation patterns found in the modern human. So all of the time spent on devices which bring our neck into this forward flex position, our shoulders rounded forward, and our kyphosis in our mid-spine, this program systematically goes through neck mobility, upper back mobility, hip flexor mobility, hamstrings, and shoulder health, and will really help to bring restoration and equilibrium back into your posture and into your musculoskeletal system.